Do you ever feel tingling, pain, or numbness in your hands or feet? It could be a sign of nerve damage, also known as neuropathy. But don't worry, there's hope. There are natural ways to support nerve repair, and one of the best is through the power of neurotropic B vitamins. Each B vitamin works in a unique way to protect and nourish your nerves, helping them stay healthy and resilient. So if you're experiencing signs of neuropathy, don't lose hope. Start giving your body the support it needs. First, we have vitamin B1, or thiamine. This vitamin is a powerhouse for energy production, providing the fuel needed for nerve regeneration. Plus, it acts as a site-directed antioxidant, protecting nerve cells from harmful oxidative stress. Foods rich in vitamin B1 include legumes, nuts, and whole grains. Next, vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. This vitamin is essential for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that allow your nerves to communicate. It also helps inhibit the release of neurotoxic glutamate, which can harm nerve cells if left unchecked. Foods that contain vitamin B6 include milk, salmon, eggs, bananas, chickpeas, avocados, poultry, fish, and potatoes. And finally, we have vitamin B12, or cobalamin. This vitamin is crucial for nerve cell survival and plays a direct role in remyelination, the process of rebuilding the myelin sheath, the protective covering that keeps your nerves functioning smoothly. Food sources are eggs, seafood like salmon and clams, fortified cereals, and low-fat dairy products. Together, these three B vitamins work in harmony to support nerve regeneration and ensure a healthy nervous system. By boosting energy, balancing neurotransmitters, and maintaining myelin sheaths, they create the ideal conditions for your nerves to repair and thrive. So, make sure you're giving your body these essential nutrients, whether through your diet or supplements. Your nerves will thank you for it. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.